Hi guys, I've been updating all our packages. We have a bunch of packages, I think 150 or so or more, and they're all on our repositories. You can have a look at what's in every repository. I want to give you or direct your attention to a package that's not yet on our YouTube channel, and I just made an update for it, and it's called curseradio. Ctrl-Alt-T, curseradio. It is part of our thing, of our system, but of course you need to install it. Now, curseradio, let's first go to PAMAC. There is something called Meta, and there is the Meta for Steam, installing Steam. There is also the Meta-fun. Here is the Meta-Steam and Meta Utilities. We have 3 at this point in time. And the Meta-fun, if you install that one, you won't get only the curseradio. You get ASCII, Aquarium, Bash Pipes, Bashtop, Boxes, Kava, all the cool fun stuff to make screenshots with. Cow Fortune, C Matrix and stuff like that. But curseradio Git is in here as well. So take a look at all the fun stuff like lolcat, these colors, rainbow colors you can have in the terminal. Python, Pywall, an awesome little thing. It's all great for making screenshots. Okay, curseradio. So sudo pacman -s curseradio. There it is. Just type a part of the word and then tap. And then you say it's gonna be this one. So like I said, I just put a new version up here, a release number. So this is a GitHub push, a commit on the GitHub or Git bucket or Git something Git, right? And then that's the number for it. Looks strange, but release 16. All right. And then the fun starts. You're done with the silence. From now on, you have music in a terminal on your machine. Just use the arrows like this. By locations may be interesting for you guys. Africa, Australia, Europe, Albania, Australia, Belgium, Antwerp, all stations maybe. And here we have all the stations coming from Antwerp. You see? And or I could do this, which I normally do, local radio stations, and this is all the local stuff coming from Belgium, and it's fun. Let's choose one. I don't know, nostalgia. All right, maybe you can hear this. I don't know. I'll put my headphone to the mic. Right, simple as that, and it's gonna work. And well, I wanted you to know the curseradio thing. It's a little thing. It's there. It's in the terminal. It's quite cool. All right. Cheers.